Good morning, class.
Good morning.
Today I will be teaching you trigonometric functions. Here is today's lesson. Okay, this isn't a well-liked subject, but it is very useful in today's applications. So first I'll be going over the three basic functions: tangent, cosine, and sine. So here is our triangle, and we base functions on angles, and our angle is x here, and tangent is opposite over adjacent here, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and sine is opposite over hypotenuse. And the inverse functions are cotangent, cosecant, and secant, and they're just reciprocals of these functions. So we use trig to find side measurements. So here. So we use trig functions to find side measurements given an angle measure and a side. So if I erase this and I plug in a value like 32 degrees and 5 here. So we could find any of these sides using functions. So to find x here, we could use tangent function. So tangent of 32 equals x over 5. And then from there you could just plug it into your calculator. Any question? No? Okay, so I think I'm gonna go use the restroom. Ginny, take over from here.
Hi, class.
Hi, Ginny.
I can't hear you.
Hey,
Hi,
Ginny.
Hi, class. So while Teacher Mike is going to the bathroom, I'll give you some problems to make sure that you guys learned what Teacher Mike has taught you. Okay? Anyone excited? Everyone is. I can see that.
Not really. What is?
Mike, what did you say? Yes, you're very excited, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let me give you some problems. Which color is your favorite color, guys?
Green.
Okay, perfect, awesome. I just picked that. Okay. So I'll give you 3 right triangles. Actually, 2 right triangles. And right triangles, that's not exactly right. So now the question is, what is the sine, cosine, and tangent of the thetas here? I'll give you 45 seconds. So, Richa, what's sine of theta?
Positive?
Positive? Come on, Richa. Our smarty Mike, what's the answer?
4 over 8.4.
4 over 8.4. Is that the final answer?
No, you could reduce it to 2 over 4.4.
2 over 4.2.
And then 1 over 2.1.
Perfect. Good job, Mike. I'll give a penny for you.
I can do the rest, Miss Kim. Cosine is 7 over 8.4. And then the tangent is 4 over 7.
Correct.
And then for the second one, sine is 5 over 10.3. Cosine is 8 over 10.3. And then tangent is 5 over 8. But I didn't know how to do the last one.
That's correct because it's not a right triangle. This it's not determinable, so we don't know. Mike. Now you get a whole bunch of pennies.
Thank you, Jenny.
Okay, now we're gonna move on to special triangles.
Sounds special.
Special, like me?
No, more like me.
It's special like Miss Kim.
Of course.
They're special because they're right triangles and they have integer sides.
Yeah, like 3, 4, 5, or 5, 12, 13.
What are you doing? Give me that. So what's cosine of theta?
5 over 13.
Awesome. Now you get a penny too. Here you go.
Thank you.
So Richa, what's tangent of theta?
12 over 5.
12 over 5. Great. Richa, you finally get an answer now. Here's a penny.
Thank you.
So now let's try cosecant theta.
I'm tired of this crap.
Mike! I'm sorry. Let's stop doing this. I'm so sorry.
It's fine,
Let's-
Miss Kim.
Let's
Don't
move
worry
on
about it. Don't worry
to a
about it.
fun stuff.
But we just need a break, that's it.
Okay, so class. So Ginny has been arrested for giving counterfeit money to classmates and students, so I'm just substituting over her. So right now I'm going to talk about inverse trig. And as you know, there are 6 inverse trig functions. It's sine, cosine, inverse cosine, inverse tangent, inverse cosecant, inverse secant, and inverse cotangent. And they could also be written as arc sine, arc cosine, arc tangent, arc cosecant, and arc cotangent. And I just want to make sure you guys don't get confused. Inverse cosine is not 1 over cosine x, as a reminder. And when you solve an inverse function, just if it says inverse cosine x, this is another way to write the equation. And so here is an example. Inverse cosine rad 3 over 2 equals some angle. And so here's another form that I rewrote. And if you see, this also can be replaced. And so can any one of you guys tell me the angle that fits into this triangle, right triangle?
30 degrees.
Can you put that in radian form?
Pi over 6.
Good job, Jenny. So here, since Miss Jenny gave you guys counterfeit money, I'm gonna give you guys real money.
Oh yes!